Thank you. See all those fish freaking rising up over there? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a feeding frenzy over there. It is awesome out right now, guys. Freaking so calm. I'm going to take this off, put on my spoon. I usually have a lot of good luck with the old spoon. This guy back. This dude right here. Caught lots and lots of fish on this guy. You can see she's pretty beat up. I've had more, I lost them all. This is the last one. Just don't sit there. Oh, did you just see that? Oh, you just missed it. He just came right up, dude. Right fucking near the boat for it. In about 2 feet of water, he just fucking came right up, dude. Right up to the boat. Yes! Fish on! There we go! First fish of the year. Hee-hee! Yeah! Here we go. Yeah, buddy. There it is, guys. Woohoo! First bass of the year. Yeah. Excited. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for that awesome catch. It's been a long time waiting for one of you. I'm gonna let you back in the water. See you later, bud. Yoo-hoo! Yes! So the lure today that's getting the action, this bad boy right here. Little Cleo. 1.3 ounces. The Wiggle Lure. This thing hammers them. These little pieces that are on the bottom, I actually have added these on. Those don't come on it. But yeah, guys. Yes, getting some action now. That makes me happy. It hooked itself. Alright, see right down in there? I think there's something over there, guys. I think there's something over there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I lost him. Fuck. He's not gonna hit again. Oh, damn it. That was a nice hit. That was an aggressive hit. Is there any more over there? Come on. Ooh, that was right where he hooked on last time. Come on, he's still over there. Did you guys see that? He literally came up a foot from the freaking boat, guys. Saw it. Oh, they're over there. They're over there. I'm getting too close. I gotta back off. Guys, my freaking lure just totally spun up and around that freaking tree up there. Like hardcore spun. Oh my Lanta. I'm gonna have to snap it. I'm gonna try to get it to fall right in the boat. Freaking take me out. I got it back. I clobbered over the head in the process, but I got it back. Look at this. Look at this. It wrapped around like 5 times. This fishing spot's blown up. I got my lure back. That's all I care about, right there. That makes me happy. I really thought that it was gonna be gone. Alright guys, cross your fingers for me. Unfortunately, I could only be out here for a couple hours today. I gotta head back in. There's a couple more casts I can do. Let's get you big in. Just a stump. Felt like a bump though. There it is. Oh. hook good enough. He waited. That was freaking, he was close. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that's a brown, guys. That's a brown. Yeah. I don't have a net. Hope I can get him in here. Yes! Look at the size of that guy. He's a beaut. Look at this, guys. Slimy. Come on, come on. Come on, guy. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Help me out here. There we go. Look at him, guys. Look at the freaking spots on him. Awesome. Friggin' awesome. Beautiful. He's a keeper, but he's gonna go back in. See you later, bud. Yeah. Again, I caught him on this guy. Like I said, these little fins, these things I put on myself. But yeah, it's just the wiggler, large. The wiggle. Little Cleo. Sure. It's getting it done though. That was awesome. Second fish of the year. A keeper. I should have freaking measured him on my thing. I don't know what I was thinking.